Today, we're working on a Clio RS200. In this video, we'll cover decontamination, paint correction and ceramic coatings. We'll even give the interior a quick going over, but mainly focusing on the exterior. How often do you detail your car? Leave a comment below. Starting with the wheels, give them a generous coat of wheel cleaner. I'll leave links with the products used in the description below. Give the wheels a good clean using brushes, wheel willies, etc. If they're heavily contaminated, I'd recommend rinsing them first. These ones aren't too bad, although they're in desperate need of a refurb. Spray the whole car with citrus pre-wash. Let it dwell in the car for a few minutes. Don't let it dry in the car though. Then give it a good rinse. Spray tar remover onto the car. Generally it's the lower half, but tar can build in other areas too, so be mindful of that. This car was especially bad, and I had to give it a second hit using tar gel and agitate particles off the vehicle. And give it a good rinse, and then I use a pre-wash foam to help get rid of the remaining tar remover. Next step is spray iron fallout all over the vehicle. Let it dwell for a few minutes. Generally, after that, just go ahead and rinse the car. But given how bad the tar was, I'm giving this one a rub down with a microfiber mitt, then I'm going to rinse it. Snow foam shampoo onto the car, and either select a clay bar or clay mitt and give the vehicle a good rub down. Make sure there's plenty of foam in the car. Don't buy clay lube, just use shampoo. Clay lube's a bit gimmicky and shampoo works just as well. And finally we get to shampoo the car. Just give it a good once over, cover all areas and give it a rinse afterwards. Next is drying the car. You can use drying towels, but I'm going to use a car dryer. Make sure you do it thoroughly though, because we're prepping the car for ceramic coating and we can't have any water left on the vehicle. Now we're paint correcting the car. Select your pad and polish combination for your desired outcome / preference. Polish the whole car, pulling out swirl marks and minor scratches, and be sure to go over the entire vehicle. Now we're going to panel wipe using prep and IPA, which is the final step before ceramic coating. We'll go around the entire vehicle, and because we're ceramic coating outdoors, I'll give it a final hit on the panel just before we apply the ceramic coating to make sure there's no dust. Now we're ceramic coating the car. I only go over one panel at a time, giving it time to flash, wipe it down, fold the microfiber over and give it a final wipe down. On to the next panel. It's only a 1-year coating going down on this car, and I'll leave a link with the products below. Now we'll tackle the interior, removing the mats, cleaning up all the pet hair and giving everything a good wipe down. These seats had quite a few stains on them, so we're going over them with a drill and brush and extracting them with wet and dry. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.